shares in quiet ways. Hands on wood worn smooth and long, hearts aligned in a steady song. Each person brings a piece of light, gathered strength for the coming flight. A gentle trust begins to grow as water waits with peaceful flow. Setting out together on a winding tide, with hope as the compass by your side. Every oar and every guiding hand moves the boat towards promised land. Bound by purpose, steady and true. The journey forms because of you. Silver gleam with every breath, the moment starts. A merging of devoted hearts. Balance keeps the voyage strong. Rhythm holds you all along. Through patient steps and voices clear, the path ahead feels bright and near.